far as I'm concerned, all languages should be taught in schools. But then, being practical, obviously, English being the global language, should be taught in schools. But definitely, we need to emphasize more on indigenous languages, because through language you get to learn and understand a lot more about people's cultures. You might not completely understand it, but you get to have the idea about other cultures, and that's how we can start really focusing and start appreciating indigenous knowledge through focus on indigenous languages. So definitely English should be taught in schools, but as well as Setswana, as well as isiNdebele, as well as isiZulu should be taught in schools, because that's what we're about. We're not a one medium country. You know, we've got Indians, we've got colors, we've got all these other people, we've got these amazing cultures and languages. And the more we start teaching them, the more kids start learning about them at a younger age, the more people, when they grow up, they'll be able to appreciate them. The language that best represents South Africa is, well, there's no term for it yet, but it's mainly the language that's used in Joburg. Because Joburg is such a cosmopolitan area, we gooi this and we ish that. So it's a whole lot of things gooi, you know, in one thing. And it's so vibey and so happening. And for me, that best represents South Africa in the sense that we're a vibey country, we're a young democracy. We have a lot of people with a lot of energy and a lot of passion, and we want to do things. So for me, the language that best represents South Africa is your cosmopolitan Joburg language, because I can speak 3 languages or 4 languages simultaneously, and the next person will still get me, will still understand me. You know, and for me, that's what it's about. That's what South Africa is about.